Good morning, my friends. If you're over 60, you might have noticed your body doesn't feel quite as strong as it used to. Maybe your legs tire more easily, or you've lost some balance or energy. You're not alone. This happens to nearly everyone after 60, and it's called sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss. But here's the good news. You can stop it or even reverse it with just a few simple morning habits. No gym needed, no fancy equipment, just the right start to your day. In this video, we'll cover why muscle loss happens as we age, a simple morning routine that protects your strength, the foods silently damaging your muscles, and what to eat instead to stay strong and full of life. Why muscle loss? Starting in our 30s, we begin losing about 3 to 5% of muscle each decade, and after 60, that rate speeds up. There are 4 main reasons. Hormone changes. We produce less testosterone and growth hormone, which repair muscle. Less activity. When we stop moving, our body stops maintaining muscle. Reduced protein absorption. We might eat enough protein, but our bodies use less of it effectively. Chronic inflammation, from stress and processed foods, slowly breaking down tissue. But even at 70, 80, or 90, your body can rebuild strength. Studies show that older adults can regain muscle and balance with just small daily habits. Your morning muscle routine. Let's start your day right. Here's your new morning muscle routine. It takes under 10 minutes. Step 1, rehydrate and refuel. After 8 hours of sleep, your body needs water and protein. Drink a full glass of water, maybe with lemon or a pinch of sea salt, then have some protein. A boiled egg, a few spoonfuls of Greek yogurt, or a smoothie with milk and banana. Protein in the morning kickstarts muscle protein synthesis, your body's process for repairing muscle. Step 2, gentle 5-minute movement routine. You don't need weights or a treadmill. Just try march in place, 1 minute, chair squats, 10 reps, wall push-ups, 10 reps, heel raises, 15 reps, arm circles, 30 seconds each direction. This routine wakes up your muscles, improves balance, and keeps your circulation strong. Step 3, breathe and relax. Finally, take 1 minute to breathe deeply. Inhale through your nose for 4 counts, hold for 2, and exhale slowly for 6. This lowers cortisol, your stress hormone, which otherwise breaks down muscle tissue. So, hydrate, move, and breathe. That's your new morning foundation for lasting strength. Foods that damage aging muscles. Even if you're doing everything right with your routine, certain foods can undo your progress. Let's look at 5 of the worst offenders and the better choices to replace them. Refined carbs. White bread, pastries, and sugary cereal cause sugar crashes and inflammation. Better, oatmeal, whole grain toast, and quinoa porridge. Processed meats, bacon, sausages, deli meats have nitrates that damage muscle and health heart. Better, eggs, chicken, lentils, and beans. Hidden salt in canned soups, sauces, and snacks causes stiffness and muscle fatigue. Better, use herbs like turmeric, basil, garlic, rosemary. Sugary snacks and drinks. Sodas, cookies, and sweet teas spike insulin and age your muscles faster. Better, fresh fruit, dark chocolate, or a spoon of honey in tea. Trans fats. Fried and packaged foods cause chronic inflammation. Better, cook with olive oil, eat salmon, walnuts, or chia seeds. Remember, every small food swap helps your muscles recover and stay strong. Foods that rebuild muscle after 60. Now for the good part. Let's talk about foods that rebuild muscle after 60. Eggs, the perfect protein. Eggs contain all the amino acids your muscles need, and the yolk helps with hormone balance and protein absorption. Start your morning with 1 or 2 eggs and whole grain toast. That's muscle fuel. Greek yogurt, the gut and muscle helper. Greek yogurt gives you whey and casein protein, which feed your muscles slowly throughout the day. It also supports your gut, helping your body absorb nutrients better. Choose plain yogurt and add berries or honey for natural sweetness. Fish, salmon, the anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fats and protein that reduce inflammation and strengthen muscles. If you don't like salmon, try sardines, flax seeds, or chia seeds. Bonus morning add-ons. Turmeric plus black pepper, natural anti-inflammatory combo. Green tea or lemon water boosts circulation and detox. 10 minutes of sunlight for natural vitamin D. Gentle stretching keeps joints flexible and pain-free. So, here's your takeaway. Start your morning with hydration, protein, movement, and mindful breathing. Avoid foods that harm your body and enjoy real, wholesome foods that rebuild your strength naturally. You'll feel more energetic, steadier on your feet, and confident in every move you make. Remember, your body is never too old to heal, rebuild, and thrive. Stay strong, stay kind to yourself, and keep moving. Your best years are still ahead. Subscribe for more senior health tips. Thank you.